Almost everything has a robot version in this generation, and so is man's best friend, dogs. China has once again revolutionized the world of transportation. This time not with automobiles, but with four-legged robot dogs. This game-changer innovation is not like the ordinary pet. It can perform more tricks that are useful and promising to many sectors. We're about to find out who let these robot dogs out. Lynx the robot dog. You already have a cleaning robot, a cooking robot, errand robot, and all sorts of useful advanced machines. China may have thought, we still don't have robot dogs yet, we'll make one. The Lynx Robot Dog, developed in China, represents a significant advancement in the field of robotics. Designed to be versatile, agile, and highly intelligent, this quadrupedal robot has captured global attention for its innovative features and wide range of applications. With China's rapid progress in robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, the Lynx Robot Dog exemplifies the country's ability to create cutting-edge technology that caters to both commercial and industrial needs. Lynx does not typically have wheels, as it is primarily designed as a quadrupedal robot, mimicking the movements and functionality of a real dog. Its design focuses on mobility through legs rather than wheels, enabling it to traverse complex terrains, climb stairs, and operate in environments where wheeled robots might struggle. The Lynx Robot Dog is equipped with state-of-the-art hardware and software that allow it to perform complex tasks with precision. Its mobility system is powered by high-performance actuators and joints, enabling it to move with fluidity and stability across various terrains. Whether navigating rugged landscapes, climbing stairs, or recovering from a fall, the Lynx robot demonstrates exceptional adaptability. Its AI-driven intelligence is one of its standout features. The robot dog uses advanced algorithms to process real-time data from its array of sensors, which include cameras, LiDAR, and gyroscopes. This enables it to perceive its environment, avoid obstacles, and make decisions autonomously. Additionally, its onboard processors allow for machine learning, meaning it can improve its performance over time by analyzing past experiences and adjusting its behavior accordingly. The Lynx robot is also designed with connectivity and integration in mind. It can be controlled remotely via mobile apps or computer interfaces and is compatible with other smart systems, making it a valuable addition to interconnected industrial and domestic setups. How to use Lynx then? The versatility of the Lynx Robot Dog makes it suitable for a wide range of applications. The Lynx Robot Dog has been developed with potential use in military and security operations. It can patrol areas, carry surveillance equipment, and even transport supplies in hazardous conditions. Its ability to operate in challenging environments makes it a reliable tool for defense agencies. In industrial settings, the Lynx Robot Dog can be used for tasks such as equipment inspection, pipeline monitoring, and warehouse logistics. Its agility allows it to access tight or dangerous spaces that are difficult for humans to reach, reducing the risk of accidents. In disaster scenarios, the Lynx Robot Dog can assist in search and rescue missions by navigating debris, detecting survivors, and delivering emergency supplies. Its durability and advanced sensors make it invaluable in environments that are unsafe for human responders. On the consumer side, the Lynx Robot Dog is marketed as an intelligent robotic companion. It can follow its owner, carry small items, and perform simple tasks, offering convenience and entertainment for tech enthusiasts and families. The Lynx Robot Dog is also being used in research and educational settings. Its programmability allows students and researchers to experiment with robotics, AI, and machine learning, fostering innovation in these fields. But how popular is Lynx now from a global perspective? The publicity surrounding Lynx has been fueled by a combination of media coverage, industry showcases, and its unique features. Tech expos and robotics conferences have frequently highlighted Lynx as an example of cutting-edge quadrupedal robotics. Its demonstrations of agility, stability, and precision in tasks such as carrying loads, navigating rough terrains, and autonomous operation have impressed audiences worldwide. Online platforms have also played a crucial role in boosting the robot's visibility. Videos showcasing Lynx's capabilities, such as climbing stairs, recovering from falls, and interacting with humans, have gone viral on social media. These demonstrations not only showcase its functionality, but also spark conversations about the potential of robotics in daily life. Collaborations with research institutions and businesses have further amplified Lynx's profile. By partnering with industries such as security, logistics, and disaster management, Lynx has demonstrated its practical applications, making it a topic of interest for both technical and mainstream audiences. Future prospects for Lynx. The future of the Lynx Robot Dog is promising, with ongoing developments aimed at enhancing its functionality and affordability. Researchers and developers are working on improving battery life, increasing payload capacity, and refining AI algorithms to make the robot even more efficient and versatile. As production scales up and costs decrease, the Lynx Robot Dog could become a more accessible tool for various industries and households. In the long term, the Lynx Robot Dog has the potential to play a significant role in smart cities, healthcare, and environmental conservation. For example, it could be used to monitor pollution levels, assist in elder care, or support urban planning initiatives. Its ability to adapt and learn makes it a valuable asset in tackling future challenges. The future of robotic dogs in transportation will likely involve integration with other technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, IoT, and 5G connectivity. These integrations will enable real-time communication, coordination, and data sharing, enhancing their efficiency and reliability. Collaborations between robotics companies and industries like logistics, healthcare, and defense will drive innovation, leading to specialized robotic dog models tailored for specific transportation needs. Additionally, advances in lightweight materials and compact power sources will allow for more agile and capable designs. The evolution of robotic dogs into transportation tools is driven by advancements in hardware and software. Equipped with powerful actuators, sensors, and AI-driven systems, these robots are capable of navigating complex terrains with stability and precision. Unlike wheeled or tracked vehicles, robotic dogs excel in environments that require adaptability, such as uneven surfaces, stairs, or debris-strewn areas. Future robotic dogs are expected to feature enhanced payload capacities, allowing them to transport heavier loads over greater distances. This could be achieved through improvements in materials, battery technology, and motor efficiency. Moreover, advancements in autonomous navigation systems will enable these robots to operate independently, making them ideal for last-mile delivery, remote logistics, and emergency response. The Lynx Robot Dog is a testament to China's growing expertise in robotics and artificial intelligence. With its advanced features, diverse applications, and potential for future innovation, it represents a significant step forward in the integration of robotics into everyday life. While challenges remain, the Lynx Robot Dog holds immense promise for transforming industries, improving safety, and enhancing the quality of life for individuals and communities worldwide. Through responsible development and thoughtful implementation, it has the potential to become a cornerstone of modern technology. Limitations and challenges. The emergence of robot dogs has brought a new wave of innovation to the robotics industry, with applications ranging from security and surveillance to logistics and personal assistance. However, as promising as these machines are, their widespread adoption comes with significant challenges and considerations. Addressing these issues is crucial to ensuring their safe, ethical, and efficient integration into society. One of the most significant barriers to the adoption of robot dogs is their high cost. Developing advanced quadrupedal robots requires cutting-edge technology, including precision sensors, actuators, and artificial intelligence systems. This results in steep manufacturing costs, which translate to high purchase and maintenance expenses for consumers and businesses. Until costs decrease through mass production and technological advancements, robot dogs may remain inaccessible to smaller organizations and individual users. While robot dogs are agile and adaptable, Their ability to carry heavy loads is still limited compared to traditional vehicles. This limitation restricts their utility in applications requiring significant transportation capabilities. Additionally, their energy consumption can be high, especially during extended operations or when traversing challenging terrains. Advances in battery technology and energy-efficient designs are necessary to address these limitations and enhance their operational range. For dog lovers and enthusiasts, it might be uncomfortable to even imagine the idea of producing robot dogs. Additionally, there is the issue of public perception. While robot dogs are remarkable technological achievements, their mechanical appearance and capabilities can evoke unease or even fear in some people. Designing robots with a more approachable aesthetic and ensuring transparency in their usage will help address these concerns. The deployment of robot dogs in surveillance and security raises ethical questions about privacy and the potential for misuse. Equipping these machines with cameras, sensors, and AI-driven monitoring systems can lead to intrusive surveillance, sparking concerns about individual freedoms and data security. Establishing clear regulations and ethical guidelines is essential to prevent misuse and ensure that these robots are used responsibly. Robot dogs, especially those designed for autonomous operation, must navigate complex environments while interacting with humans. This introduces safety risks, such as potential malfunctions or accidents. For example, a robot dog carrying out tasks in a crowded public space could inadvertently cause harm if its sensors fail to detect obstacles or people. Rigorous testing, robust fail-safe mechanisms, and adherence to safety standards are crucial to mitigating these risks. The introduction of robot dogs into everyday life may face resistance from the public. Concerns about job displacement, especially in industries like security and logistics, can lead to skepticism about their adoption. Additionally, their appearance and behavior can influence how people perceive and accept them. Designers must strike a balance between functionality and creating robots that are approachable and non-threatening to humans. The production and disposal of robot dogs raise questions about their environmental impact. The materials used in their construction, such as metals and electronics, can contribute to e-waste if not recycled properly. Moreover, the energy required to operate them, particularly if sourced from non-renewable resources, could add to their carbon footprint. Sustainable manufacturing practices and energy-efficient designs are critical to minimizing their environmental impact. As the robotics industry grows, competition among manufacturers is intensifying. Companies must continuously innovate to differentiate their products and maintain relevance in the market. This competition can lead to market saturation, with a wide array of models that may confuse consumers and businesses about which robot best suits their needs. Clear standards and guidelines can help streamline choices and foster healthy competition. The integration of robot dogs into various industries requires robust legal frameworks to address liability, data protection, and operational boundaries. For example, if a robot dog causes damage or injury, determining responsibility can be complex. Governments and industry leaders must collaborate to create regulations that balance innovation with public safety and accountability. Robot dogs, despite their advancements, are not immune to technical issues. Sensors can malfunction, software can encounter glitches, and hardware can wear out over time. These limitations require regular maintenance and updates, which can be costly and time-consuming. Ensuring reliability and ease of repair will be crucial for their widespread adoption. While robot dogs hold immense potential to revolutionize various industries, their adoption is not without challenges. High costs, ethical concerns, safety risks, and technical limitations must be addressed to unlock their full potential. By investing in research, fostering public trust, and establishing clear regulations, society can ensure that robot dogs are integrated responsibly and effectively, paving the way for a future where these machines enhance human lives without compromising safety, ethics, or sustainability. If you noticed, we're quickly moving to an AI world. Let's see if this is good or bad. The need for almost everything in artificial intelligence. The most common thought in this modern generation is the necessity to have everything in artificial intelligence. It might signify advancement, but is this absolutely beneficial to the industries and humanity? You see, even dogs have their robot counterparts, although not the same pet and pure company concept. Robots have become an integral part of modern society, serving various roles in industries, homes, and even entertainment. The concept of creating robot versions of tasks, jobs, or even human interactions reflects humanity's drive to automate processes and improve efficiency. While robotic versions of tasks and roles offer numerous advantages, they also present challenges that need to be carefully addressed. Robots are designed to perform tasks faster and with greater precision than humans. Robotic versions of jobs such as manufacturing, data analysis, or logistics can work around the clock without fatigue, leading to increased productivity and reduced operational costs. Unlike humans, robots are not prone to errors caused by fatigue or distraction. In fields like healthcare, robotic versions of surgical procedures ensure a high degree of precision, minimizing risks and improving outcomes. Robots can be deployed in hazardous environments where human safety is at risk, such as mining, firefighting, or disaster response. This not only saves lives but also allows for efficient task completion in extreme conditions. Although the initial investment in robotic systems can be high, their long-term cost-effectiveness is significant. Robots do not require salaries, benefits, or breaks, making them a financially sustainable option for repetitive or labor-intensive tasks. In industries facing labor shortages, such as agriculture, logistics, or healthcare, robot versions can fill gaps and ensure continuity of services. This is particularly relevant in aging societies where the workforce is shrinking. In consumer applications, robotic versions of household appliances, such as robotic vacuum cleaners or cooking robots, provide convenience and improve quality of life. They can be customized to meet individual needs, enhancing user satisfaction. Disadvantages of robotics. Developing and deploying robotic systems requires substantial investment in research, manufacturing, and infrastructure. For small businesses or developing countries, these costs can be prohibitive, limiting access to robotic solutions. One of the most debated disadvantages of robotic versions is their potential to replace human workers. Automation in industries such as manufacturing, retail, and transportation has already led to job losses, raising concerns about unemployment and economic inequality. Despite advancements, robots still face limitations in performing complex, creative, or highly contextual tasks. They lack emotional intelligence and critical thinking, making them unsuitable for roles that require empathy, decision-making, or adaptability. The widespread use of robots raises ethical questions about privacy, autonomy, and the potential misuse of technology. For example, robots equipped with surveillance capabilities can infringe on individual privacy, leading to societal unease. Robotic systems require regular maintenance and updates to function optimally. Over-reliance on robots can lead to vulnerabilities in critical sectors, such as healthcare or transportation, where technical failures could have severe consequences. The production and disposal of robots contribute to electronic waste and environmental degradation. Additionally, their energy consumption, especially in large-scale operations, can increase the carbon footprint if not sourced from renewable energy. The increasing presence of robots in daily life may affect human relationships and cultural norms. For instance, the use of robotic caregivers in elderly care could reduce human interaction, potentially leading to loneliness and a diminished sense of community. The integration of robot versions into society must strike a balance between leveraging their advantages and mitigating their disadvantages. The need for robot versions is driven by humanity's quest for efficiency, safety, and convenience. While they offer numerous advantages, such as improved productivity and the ability to handle dangerous tasks, their adoption also brings challenges, including ethical concerns, job displacement, and environmental impact. By addressing these issues thoughtfully and responsibly, society can harness the benefits of robotic technology while minimizing its drawbacks, ensuring a future where robots complement human efforts rather than replace them. Robot dogs. Outside China. The rise of robotic technology has ushered in a new era of innovation, with robot dogs emerging as one of the most intriguing advancements. Initially popularized by companies like Boston Dynamics in the United States, robot dogs are now being developed and deployed by various countries worldwide. These machines are designed for diverse applications, ranging from security and surveillance to search and rescue operations. Their growing global presence highlights the international race to leverage robotics for industrial, military, and civilian use. Did you know they also have robot dogs in other countries? The US is a pioneer in the development of robot dogs, thanks to companies like Boston Dynamics, which introduced the world to Spot. Spot is a highly advanced quadrupedal robot designed for tasks such as inspection, mapping, and carrying payloads. It has been used in industries such as construction, energy, and even law enforcement. The US military has also explored using robot dogs for reconnaissance and supply transport, showcasing their versatility and adaptability. China has quickly emerged as a major player in the field of robotics, including the development of robot dogs. Companies like Unitary Robotics have created affordable and efficient quadrupedal robots like the Unitary Go 1, designed for both commercial and consumer markets. These robots are marketed as companions, educational tools, and inspection devices. Additionally, China has integrated robot dogs into public safety roles, with some models used by police forces for patrolling and surveillance. Japan, known for its cutting-edge technology and robotics industry, has also ventured into the realm of robot dogs. Companies like Sony revolutionized the concept with Aibo, a robotic pet dog designed for companionship. While Aibo is more focused on consumer entertainment, Japanese researchers and companies are exploring more advanced robot dogs for industrial and disaster response purposes. Given Japan's aging population, these robots are also being considered for elder care and assistance. Several European countries are developing robot dogs for specialized applications. In Switzerland, ETH Zurich created Animal, a robot dog designed for inspection and monitoring in hazardous environments like tunnels and offshore platforms. The European Space Agency, ESA, is also experimenting with robot dogs for planetary exploration, showcasing their potential beyond Earth. South Korean companies and research institutions are investing in quadrupedal robotics for use in industrial automation and security. The country's robust electronics industry supports these advancements. Startups and academic institutions in India are developing robot dogs for applications in defense and agriculture, aiming to address local challenges such as labor shortages and border security. Australian researchers are exploring the use of robot dogs in wildlife monitoring and conservation efforts, leveraging their mobility in rugged terrains. Why is there global interest in robot dogs? The increasing adoption of robot dogs across countries stems from their unique capabilities. Unlike traditional wheeled or tracked robots, robot dogs can navigate complex and uneven terrains with ease, making them ideal for a variety of environments. In disaster-stricken areas, robot dogs can navigate rubble and debris to locate survivors. Equipped with cameras and sensors, they can patrol areas and detect intrusions. Robot dogs are used to inspect machinery, pipelines, and other infrastructure in hazardous conditions. Some models are designed for consumer use, providing companionship or aiding individuals with mobility challenges. Despite their potential, robot dogs face challenges such as high costs, limited battery life, and public skepticism about their use in surveillance or military applications. The global competition in robotics has also led to concerns about ethical usage and regulatory oversight. Countries must balance innovation with responsibility to ensure that robot dogs are used for the betterment of society. Robot dogs are no longer confined to the laboratories of a single country. They are now a global phenomenon. From the US to China, Japan, and Europe, nations are embracing the potential of these machines to address diverse challenges. As technology advances, robot dogs are likely to become more affordable, efficient, and widely adopted. Their future lies in international collaboration and innovation, ensuring that these robotic companions serve humanity in meaningful and ethical ways. China's dominance in AI technology. China has emerged as a global leader in artificial intelligence, AI, leveraging its vast resources, strategic government policies, and an unparalleled commitment to technological innovation. From cutting-edge research to real-world applications, China's dominance in AI is reshaping industries and influencing global power dynamics. The country's rise in this domain underscores its ambition to be the world's foremost AI powerhouse by the mid-21st century. China's leadership in AI is largely driven by its government's strategic vision. In 2017, the Chinese State Council unveiled the New Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan, which set ambitious goals for the nation to become a global leader in AI by 2030. The plan focuses on fostering innovation, enhancing AI education, and promoting collaboration between academia, industry, and government. Massive investments have been funneled into AI research and development, R&D, with billions of dollars allocated to creating AI-focused industrial parks, laboratories, and startups. One of China's key advantages in AI is its access to massive amounts of data. With the largest population in the world and a thriving digital ecosystem, China generates unparalleled quantities of data, which is the lifeblood of AI development. Companies like Alibaba, Tencent, and Baidu collect vast datasets through their platforms, enabling them to train advanced AI models and develop highly sophisticated algorithms. The government's policies on data sharing and collection further enhance this capability, though they raise concerns about privacy and surveillance. China's AI dominance is supported by its vibrant technology ecosystem, characterized by a strong synergy between academia, industry, and government. Leading tech giants like Huawei, Tencent, Alibaba, and Baidu are at the forefront of AI innovation, investing heavily in R&D and collaborating with top universities. Startups also play a significant role, with cities like Shenzhen, Beijing, and Hangzhou emerging as hubs for AI entrepreneurship. These companies are driving advancements in areas such as facial recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. China has integrated AI into a wide range of industries, from healthcare and transportation to manufacturing and education. AI-powered diagnostic tools are being used to detect diseases like cancer and COVID-19 with high accuracy. China is a leader in autonomous vehicles and smart city infrastructure, with AI optimizing traffic flow and public transport systems. AI-driven facial recognition and surveillance systems are widely deployed for public safety and law enforcement. AI enhances productivity through automation, predictive maintenance, and supply chain optimization. China's advancements in AI have significant military and geopolitical implications. AI-powered drones, autonomous weapons, and cybersecurity tools are being developed to strengthen national defense. This has fueled concerns about an AI arms race between China and other nations, particularly the United States. Moreover, China's influence in AI extends to its Belt and Road Initiative, where it exports AI technologies to partner countries, thereby expanding its geopolitical reach. China's AI dominance is often compared to that of the United States, which remains a global leader in foundational AI research and innovation. While the US excels in areas like hardware, e.g., semiconductors, and academic contributions, China's strength lies in applying AI at scale. The competition between these two nations has become a defining feature of the global AI landscape, influencing policies, investments, and international collaborations. China's focus on AI is not slowing down. With ongoing investments in quantum computing, 6G technology, and AI ethics, the country is positioning itself to maintain its leadership in the field. The government's push for intelligent governance and smart city initiatives will further integrate AI into everyday life, setting a precedent for other nations to follow. China's dominance in artificial intelligence reflects its strategic foresight, technological capabilities, and vast resources. By prioritizing AI as a cornerstone of its economic and geopolitical strategy, China has established itself as a global leader in the field. However, this dominance comes with responsibilities and challenges, including ethical considerations and global competition. As China continues to advance in AI, its role will be pivotal in shaping the future of technology and its impact on society worldwide. Will robot dogs be common in the future? The concept of mass-producing robot dogs has transitioned from science fiction to a tangible reality as advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and manufacturing technology continue to evolve. Once considered niche prototypes, Robot dogs are now being designed for a variety of applications, from industrial and military use
Chinese military using these dogs with weapons on the top.
to consumer and entertainment purposes. However, the shift toward mass production comes with opportunities and challenges that will shape their role in society. Mass production of robot dogs offers several advantages, primarily centered on scalability and affordability. By manufacturing these machines in large quantities, companies can reduce costs, making them more accessible to a broader market. This approach also supports the diversification of their applications, allowing robot dogs to serve industries such as healthcare, security, and agriculture. The growing demand for robotic solutions in various sectors has further incentivized mass production, as it addresses labor shortages, enhances efficiency, and introduces innovative ways to perform tasks. The future of mass-produced robot dogs looks promising as advancements in materials, AI, and energy systems continue to evolve. Future models are likely to be more affordable, efficient, and multifunctional, further broadening their appeal. Governments and industries may collaborate to establish standards and guidelines for their use, ensuring that their deployment benefits society without compromising ethics or security. While the rise of robot dogs has captivated the imagination of many, the need for these robotic creatures remains highly debatable. While they present a fascinating glimpse into the future of robotics and artificial intelligence, there are numerous reasons why society might not need them, at least not in the way they are being envisioned today. From ethical concerns to practical limitations, robot dogs may not be as necessary or beneficial as they are often portrayed. In most scenarios, robot dogs are simply not essential. While their capabilities in surveillance, industrial inspection, and military applications may be valuable, these functions can often be fulfilled by other technologies. Drones, for instance, can provide aerial surveillance, and automated machinery can carry out industrial tasks more efficiently. Robot dogs, while innovative, are not indispensable for solving the complex challenges faced by society today. For the average person, the appeal of robot dogs as companions is questionable. Real pets provide emotional support, companionship, and tangible benefits to mental health. In contrast, robot dogs are mere machines, unable to offer the same warmth and genuine affection. While they may provide novelty and entertainment, they cannot replace the real connections humans form with living beings. How about a robot dog as a pet? Human connection, particularly through relationships with pets, is an integral part of many people's lives. Pets provide emotional support, companionship, and unconditional love, qualities that a robot dog cannot replicate. The emotional and psychological benefits of having a real animal companion cannot be substituted by a machine, no matter how advanced. The rise of robot dogs may inadvertently lead to a detachment from real-life connections, where individuals rely more on artificial entities for companionship instead of cultivating relationships with living beings. While robot dogs may hold an intriguing place in the future of robotics, they are not an essential part of society's needs. The ethical concerns, lack of necessity, high costs, and potential for job displacement all contribute to the argument against their widespread adoption. Instead of focusing on creating robotic substitutes for companionship or industrial tasks, resources could be better spent on addressing more pressing issues that affect humanity, such as poverty, education, and healthcare. Ultimately, the role of technology should be to enhance human life, not replace the meaningful connections that make us human. That's the end of the video. Share your thoughts below, and we'll see you in the next one.